And what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. We got a great video, a special video today, a long overdue video. We're gonna be doing some mods to the Jag. It's been quite a while, like I said, so definitely we got to get something done. Specifically, as you can see with this pile of boxes right here. Yeah, we bought some wheels, or I should say my wife bought some wheels, and it's been long overdue. We've had these wheels sitting in our garage for about 2-3 months now, waiting for some tires, but unfortunately those took forever to come, so we finally just ended up buying them somewhere else. So they should be here today. We're actually going to be waiting for FedEx to arrive. They should be here in the next few hours, hopefully. We actually got the wheels out here in the back. I'm not going to show you exactly what they are, but there's the boxes. 22-inch wheels. They're actually not Ashanti wheels. Those are just the boxes they were shipped in. We are going to continue today for exciting stuff, exciting things. Can't wait for you guys to see them. They're gonna look great. They're honestly gonna look great. As you can see, we already got the silver and black theme going with the Jaguar. So a little hint there, it's gonna fit that theme for sure. These 18-inch wheels, they're gonna be bye-bye. They're gonna be no more with the huge sidewall. But now that she has 22s, she's gonna have to watch out for curbs. So this vlog will be kind of short per se. Definitely one I didn't want you guys to miss. Definitely one we need to add to the channel. So let's wait for these tires to show up. They should be here probably in the next few hours, and then we'll keep moving on with the day. I think I heard the FedEx man arrive. Oh, yep, there it is. And just like that, the tires are here. We are ready to go. And like I said, as you guys saw the boxes earlier, 22s. These are nothing too crazy. They're just some good all-season tires, the Kumo Crew Gens. So purchased these from Walmart, believe it or not. Ordered them on Wednesday, and they came today, which is a Saturday. So good job, Walmart. It's time to figure out if we can get them loaded into the Jag. Not too sure if we're gonna get them to fit with the wheels already back there, but I'll try. If not, we're gonna have to take two vehicles. Probably have to take the Eco Beast. That's always a good thing to do too. Time to wait for the white to get off, then head on into town, get these bad boys installed. Well, we were back over at one of my favorite spots, I guess. Discount Tire. Got all the tires in the back of the truck. Jag's over there, parked, getting ready to get loaded up. Let's go ahead and get a good look at it. Just go ahead and take a look. Get a good look at that. No longer gonna look plain and boring. It's gonna look great with these 22-inch wheels on it. But let's go get inside, check in, and hopefully not wait too long. Here she goes. That's how she looks on the way in. So we got about 2 hours we gotta wait, kill some time, come back, and we'll see how it looks. Get a good look at it, guys. We're gonna go get gas. We'll be right back. She's up in the air with no legs. Just pull back up, and oh, it looks like they got it on there. Looks like they got it on there. Oh, you can kind of see, Nope. I ain't gonna show y'all yet. I'm gonna park, then we'll take a look at it. Moment of truth, guys. About to come around the corner and see what it looks like. There's the old ones right there. God dang, that is holy wheels. Jeez. Oh, you better watch out for curbs. They look clean. That is a whole lot of wheels and not that much tire. Dang, I'm gonna have to get me some bigger wheels on the Sonic. Yeah, these look great. Jeez, did y'all see those wheels, man? Those things look clean. Those things are huge. And like I said earlier, they're the stock Jaguar 22-inch wheels. I think they're called the Helix, and these are the all black versions. They have like a silver version. But nonetheless, like I said, my wife's gonna have to definitely watch out for curbs. First drive for her, she's backing it out. You guys can see that there, you guys can see it in the mirror. Those things are clean. Ah, I'm so nervous. Gee, look at those wheels, look at those wheels. Man, you guys see these wheels, those things look clean. We got rock in the tires. We're gonna have to definitely paint them caliper red. But those things look clean.